In this video, I will be reviewing the basics of hair ventilation as it applies to wigs and facial hair pieces, and at the end you'll see a clip of me ventilating a mustache. Ventilation is used to create a natural-looking hair or facial piece that can be temporarily applied to an individual. Ventilation can also change the hairline of a factory-made wig to better suit the individual wearing it. The individual's natural hairline can be mimicked or entirely changed with ventilation. Hair strands can either be hand knotted into the lace with a ventilation hook or injected into a silicone base using a special needle. There are 4 types of hand-tied knots: single, double, single split, and double split. There are additional knotting techniques that I haven't mentioned above, but this video will focus on the single knotting technique. Wig lace is generally split into 2 categories, opera and film. Opera lace is more durable and typically used in theater. Film lace is finer than opera lace, which means it's more fragile. Despite its fragility, film lace blends seamlessly into the skin, which makes it ideal for film or high-definition photography. Wig lace has 2 directions, horizontal and vertical. Horizontal, or 2-way, allows the hair to be knotted in only 2 directions, whereas vertical, or 3-way, has the flexibility of knotting the hair in 3 directions. Ventilation needles come in a variety of sizes and types. A needle's size indicates how many strands of hair it can hold. So, for example, a size 3 needle can hold up to 3 strands of hair. Ventilation needles also require a needle holder, which allows for comfortable grip while keeping the needle upright and secure. These are the materials you'll need for ventilation: lace, either opera or film, a needle holder, human hair, a wig block or mannequin head, either canvas or styrofoam, and sewing pins. And you can also use these materials to help you as well: a wig box, a wig stand or clamp, a hackle, and a drawing card. For this mustache, I'm using opera lace, a size 3 needle, and human braiding hair. I've left some resources for wig making and wig supplies in the video description. Thanks for watching!